Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today we are going to discuss about iPhone keyboard lagging issue that appears after installing the iOS 18 update. Although Apple released the iOS 18.0.1 update, but it seems like issues still exist. For some users, it appears when they are using bilingual keyboard on iPhone, while for other users when they type emojis, keyboard gets slow. And for some users, keyboard output becomes slow when they type general text, and it's possible that there could be other instances of this issue occurrence. Well, there is no confirmation from Apple regarding what causing the issue and when this issue will be fixed. In the meantime, there is a quick solution that helps various users in fixing the issue, so you should try it as well. So what you need to do is turn off autocorrection and predictive text. Open settings, then go to journal, then navigate to keyboard settings and open it. Here turn off autocorrection and predictive text. After that, close everything and check if this fixes the issue. For another group of affected users, resetting keyboard dictionary helps in fixing the issue. Although you can try this as well, but it's not optimal solution because it will reset the learn dictionary on your iPhone. In case you still want to give it a try, then here is what you need to do. Open settings, then go to journal, transfer or reset iPhone, reset. From the menu that opens, tap reset keyboard dictionary. Now enter the device passcode and at last tap reset dictionary. After that, check if this fixes the issue. I hope this helps. Why don't you try these solutions and let me know in the comments if this fixes the issue or not. If you are aware of any other solution that helps in fixing the issue for you, then feel free to share in the comments as this will help other affected users. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.